All right, so let's go over your practice homework. I asked you to do numbers 2, 4, and 6. So for problem number 2, it says A is 5, B is 12, and C is 13. So it looks like we have, if we were to draw a triangle, I don't know why it's saying control there. Let me try to, that could get annoying here, so I'm going to try to get rid of the control. All right. Sorry guys, I guess it's not going away. So A is going to be 5, B is 12, and C is 13. I'd like to get rid of it, but I don't know how to. All right, so we have 3 sides. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to figure out what S is by doing 1/2 of 5 plus 12 plus 13. And if we do that, let's see, 0.5 times 5 plus 12 plus 13. That's 15. Okay, and then when I go to type my formula into the calculator, the area is going to be the square root of parentheses. This is how I type it in: 15, 15 minus 5, 15 minus 12, and then 15 minus 13. Close the parentheses, and let's see what my calculator says here. So square root 15, parentheses 15 minus 5, parentheses 15 minus 12, parentheses 15 minus 13. Calculator's telling me the answer is 30. Let's make sure that's right. Yep. 30 square units would be the answer. So let's try number 4. For problem number 4, be consistent here. Yeah, I'll try to get rid of that thing here. Sorry, guys. It's kind of annoying. All right, see if that did it. So problem number, nope. Problem number 4, it says angle C is 85 degrees. Side A is 2. Angle B is 19. So the way that we talked about handling a problem, if you have 2 angles, is we could find the third by subtracting the others from 180. So angle A would be 180 minus 85 and 19. And that's 76 degrees. And if we have one side, the formula that we're going to be using for area would be 1/2 that side. So I'll show you the formula: 1/2 A squared times sine B sine C all over the sine of A. Right? This side and this angle are always opposite. So on my calculator, I'm going to type in 1/2 2 squared times the sine of 19 sine of 85 all divided by the sine of 76. Let's see what that comes out to. See, sine of 19, sine of 85 divided by sine of 76. Calculator is telling me it is 0.7, and looking at my answer sheet, that's correct. So 0.7 square units. Okay, and we have one more. I asked you to do number 6, I believe. So for number 6, we have B is 14. We have that angle C is 110, and we know that angle B is 25 degrees. All right, so this is just like the problem we did before. We have to figure out what angle A is by doing 180 minus 110 minus 25. And for this problem, we get that angle A is, let's see, I'm seeing 45 here. Just type it in and make sure that's right. 180 minus 110 minus 25 is 45. Okay, so because we have side B, the formula I'm going to be using is going to be the area is 1/2 B squared. I'm going to put sine of B on the bottom. On top, I'm going to have sine of A and sine of C. So as long as we type this in correctly, there should be no issues. So let's see what this is. 0.5 times 14 squared times the sine of 45, parentheses, sine of 110, parentheses, divided by the sine of 25, parentheses. And I'm seeing that this is 154.1, and we're going to put units squared because that's how we label area. Okay, this is for number 8, and that is the correct answer. So stay tuned for today's lesson.